Hello Aries, welcome back, it's Marcia here. Thank you so much for tuning in. I also would like to thank you for subscribing, liking and sharing. I really appreciate your feedback. Thank you so much. This is going to be your weekly reading from the 18th to the 24th of October. Let's see what we've got for you. Okay. You have Two of Cups in the reverse. Six of Cups. Judgment. Strength. Two of Wands. Prince of Pentacles. And Six of Swords. Your overall energy for the next week is the Ten of Cups. Okay, Aries. I see you a little bit sad for the next week. You wish to have a connection with someone, but it seems like the conversation between you two, it's not flowing the way you wished. But I see that you miss them, and there is a need for you to act in this situation. You need to take action. Also, you need to have courage. Another thing I'm getting here is that you could be indecisive, about two things. It could be two people. For some of you. For others of you, this is about direction. You could be thinking about a trip, going in a different direction, thinking about doing something different with your life. But there is a need for you to plan. I'm feeling this reading is for someone who is a little bit I'm not gonna say depressed, but having to do some shadow work, you know, inner work. I see someone not very confident. You wish things to get better, you want your 10 of Cups, you want your happiness, but it's like things are not flowing the way you wanted. You always seem to have some obstacle in your life. It seems like the way you see things, it's like you think there is always something between this connection. You always feel like there is always an obstacle. Nothing it's you know, very easy. You need to take action on something, and you need courage. Let's see some advice for you. It's very similar with the reading from the last time, if I'm not wrong. I'm feeling the same energy here. You have control. What else for Aries? Insecurity. Like I said, you're not going to be very confident. What else? You have go forth. You really want this connection, but you are having some difficulties to approach this person because you feel insecure. Bottom of the deck, you have obstacle. Like I said before, you always feel like there is an obstacle in your life, or you don't trust this person, or there is always something. You feel very insecure about this person. You have luck. What are you waiting for? And you have family. Everything is favorable for you. This person might be the one that you want to have this happy end, because you have lucky and family. I think you dream about this person. You want this person in your life. You want to have kids with this person. You see this person as marriage material. Let me see one more. You have focus. I think and dream. Bottom of the deck. You keep dreaming about this person. You want to reach them, but there is a need for you to have courage, to let go of insecurities. I think you are going through a bad cycle or a bad phase. There is a need for you to focus which direction you want to go. Okay, one more for Aries. You have surprise. Bottom of the deck, you have enjoyed the moment. This person could surprise you with something. Or you could be surprised with yourself after doing this inner work. Okay, I'm gonna get one more just to know if you guys gonna get together for the next week. You have change and you have courage. So basically what he's saying is that if you focus, if you have the courage and you let go of insecurities, everything will be favorable for you. It's like if you don't end up with this person, it's because you don't want. Everything is in your hands, okay? This is what I'm feeling here. It's like you are just one step away from making this happen. Okay, Aries. So, be confident for the next week, and if you really want to reach this person, do it. It's worth it, okay? So I'll leave you like that. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.